my viewers, my subscribers. How are you doing this morning or today or good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is? All right, today now I'm going to cook some soup. All right, I cooked the soup already, but I want to cook it again. All right, I was trying to get something else to cook, but this is what I have this morning, so I'm going to cook it for you guys. Some pigtail and red peas soup again. All right, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you, God. Thank you. I love you to my heart. I love you. You're my family. Thank you for making a comment. Big up to every one of you. Big up. Just big up yourself. Thumbs up to every one of you. Right, guys? My subscribers, I love you all. So I'm going to show you again how I cook it, because I cook it already, so I'm going to cook some more this morning. I was trying to get some more meat. Let me show you it. I was trying to get some more meat to put in it, but I didn't get any more meat. Alright, so this is my pigtail. I soak it. I already put it to soak from overnight, so I'm going to put it in the pot now to let it scald off or boil off. Alright, you can see. Alright, so I have my pot over here. You can see I have my pot over here with some hot water. You can see. So I'm going to put it in. It's boiling up. Boil up some of the salt. Although I put it to soak, I've still scald it off. Alright. So you're going to stay there and boil off like maybe a 10 minutes or less, maybe a 8 minutes. Okay, guys? And over here now I have my peas. Okay, I put it to soak also, which is much easier. So I washed it, put it to soak from overnight to make it much easier to cook this morning. So I'm going to cook the red pea soup, alright? And I'm going to show you my food now. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers, I have a piece of yam here. I'm going to cut off piece, put in my soup. Irish potato, okay? I'm just going to use whatever I have. And I have turnip here. And I have squash. Do you know squash? Squash is like pumpkin. And I think I have a piece of squash in the fridge, so I'm going to show you it. I have some carrots here, and of course I'm going to make some dumplings. All right, so let me see. I'm just gathering my things. I think I have some squash, and guys, my soup is just a mixture of stuff this morning. All right, just a mixture. I have a chocho here, so I'm still gonna put it. This is the squash. Alright, so I'm going to put squash in my soup. It's red pea soup, but I'm just going to use whatever I have, okay? So don't worry yourself, I'm just using what I have. So my meat is boiling off, it's scalding off, alright? Thank you for watching, thank you for viewing my channel. And as I say, of course, I'm going to cook some dumplings. Alright, so I'm going to gather all my stuff here. And I'm going to, this is my, you can put coconut milk in it also, in your soup, red pea soup. And I have a hot soup here. I'm going to put it in it. And as I say, you use whatever you want to use in your soup, okay? So watch the process as I go. Alright. Because the time is cold, it's very cold now. So you have to just warm up your body by boiling some soups. Okay, guys? Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. Thank you all. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. Here's my meat. It's all boiled off. Okay? Let me show you properly. Okay, so I'm going to put it, I take it out, wash it, so I'm putting it back in the water for it to boil now. So I'm going to put some peas in it. I know one will cook quicker than the other one, but it doesn't matter with whichever one cook, I take it out. But this is my peas. I'm not going to cook all of the peas. I'm going to leave some for another day. See peas? Pretty peas. So I'm going to pressure it, which is much easier for me. Okay? Alright, so as you can see, my pigtail and my red peas is on its way. So I know the peas will cook quicker, so when it cook, I take out the peas. And guys, when you're cooking, whatever cook first, take it out and then you put it together after. But don't let it stay there and mash out unless you like it that way. But please, you can take it out. So I'm going to take it out after. So I'm going to stay there and cook for a while. I'm going to get my foods prepared. Yes, my subscribers and viewers, I'm going to put some salt in it. This is my salt. Okay. Pink salt. Alright. And this is my water. And I'm going to wash my hands again. The sink is on this side, so I'm just going to wash my hands. Alright. So my hands is all washed. It has been washed already, so I wash it again for you to see. Alright. So I'm going to make my dumpling now, and I put some cornmeal in it. And let me know if you ever drink this soup before. Red pea soup with pigtail. Alright, there are some people who have never drink this soup before, but I'm just showing you how I make my soup. Everybody make their soup in different ways, but this is how I make my soup. And if you have a yellow yam or potato, that would be nice in it, but I don't have any of those. So that's why I say I'm going to put in other things to make up my soup. Yeah, my pot over there boiling. So I'm going to make my dumpling and put it down. Thank you again for subscribing to my channel. So this is my flour dumpling. Alright, so I'm going to let it stay there until about maybe 10 minutes, and then I put it in my pot and peel all my fruit. Okay? Guys, you my pot boiling up now. Alright? I don't have sweet potato, so I'm going to use Irish. Alright? And as I say, use whatever you want to use. Use substitute. Alright? And this is my turnip. They're not so good, but that's okay. Now, oh, this is not so good. This is no good, guys. Yes guys, this is my pot with my boiling water. So all of my food is here ready. I make sure peel, so I'm going to put them in my squash. And as I say, use whatever you have. Okay? So these are all peel and wash. So I'm just showing you, so I'm going to put all of them in it now. And I have a few cards, I put it in it. And my water is boiling. And over here now I have my, you can see, I'm going to throw the water in. The peas is cooked and everything. but I don't want to put it in there too early. So you can see it's right here. That is my pigtail and my red peas. So I'm going to let this boil down a little bit and then I throw it in because it's going to boil down. Alright? So I'm going to make my dumpling now. So you put your dumpling in the pot whatever time you want to do it. Okay? So watch the process as I go. These are my dumplings. You can see, guys? These are my yams. You can see my soup pot coming up. And this is my cock soup noodle. Alright, I'm just going to put a little like this in it. Alright. This is the noodle. I use whatever noodle you want to use in it, but that's the one I'm using. Okay, so you see my pot, get in there. I have the squash, so I just use up my squash. Alright. Over here now, guys, is my thyme, my cloves, my rosemary. Thyme, cloves, and rosemary I boil, so I'm putting it in my pot. Okay. So it's getting there. So I'm going to put my seasoning in now. It's too much food, guys. Too much food. But that's okay. You'll get some. You can just come over. My subscribers, you can just come over. Too much food. I put too much food. That's okay. It will go down. Alright, so I'm going to put my seasoning now. The rest of my seasoning, I'm just going to put the tips of seasoning salt. Just a little tips, right? Guys, I forgot my pimento. So we're still going to put it in the pot. See, my pimento. And I have a little of slap your mama here. Seasoning. Slap your mama. Do you know it? I'm just going to put it spicy. I'm just going to put a little in it. Alright? And a little of ginger. Just a little ginger. Everything I put ginger in, ginger powder or ginger by itself. You can see that's my pot. It's like I put too much food in it, but that's okay, it will go down. And sometimes it's too much, I put away in the fridge. You can see my pot there? Alright, just watch the process, guys. Just stay there and simmer down. So guys, my soup is finished now. Put in all my seasoning and everything. I put a pepper in it. I don't want it to burst. I have to get it out early. Alright, so this is my red pea soup for you today. And Auntie Joy, this is your soup today. Auntie Joy in Prospect, this is your soup. Miss Vivian, your soup this. Alright, B, this is your soup. And my other subscribers and my families, this is for you also. It's big enough it can share. Alright, so love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for bigging up my channel. Blessing every time. Thank you for subscribing. Alright? So continue to watch my cooking as I go. And make a comment. Let me know how you cook your soup. What kind of soup you cook. And where are you watching from? Alright? Tell me what is happening today. I remember, guys, put God in everything and put Him first. Put Him at the front of the battle. Alright? Love you guys. Pick up yourself. Every time. You can see? That's my meat there. And my peas. Okay? Alright. And you put whatever you want to put in your soup. Bye bye, and you take care of yourself. See you in my next video. And you can come over for some of my soup. Alright. Tastes good. Smell good also. Bye bye.